Hi, Emily. I thought it would be easier just to send you a quick video here so you can see what I'm looking at on your screen here. So here I have the file that you sent me open. And if I remember correctly, you're telling me that you're trying to insert the images. So if I just go to File and Place here, I'm just going to grab an image that I have here on my computer. I think this is what you're referring to as happening. I can't remember for sure what you said exactly, but I'm going to undo that because I can see right here what's happening. It's inserting it into the text frame. So I'll undo that. And I can see the text frame is over top of your frames that you had built here on the master page. So I'm just adjusting that text frame. And now when I go to File and Place, it should just fit. It allows me, first of all, to place it because it's not automatically putting it in the text frame. And then you would be able to place it and right click and adjust the fitting, fill frame proportionally, whatever you want to choose in there. So I think if I remember correctly, that's kind of what you were saying. It was just kind of taking over. You weren't able to adjust it, change it. And I think as I look at each of these, I can see, as I'm looking at this, I can see the text frame, see this O down here, that's showing me this text frame is over top of the frame you have in here for your images. I'm guessing these are frames for your images. So just adjusting those text frames will allow you to then click on these frames and place the images that you're hoping to place in there. So let me know if that's not what you were asking, but I believe that's what I'm seeing is happening here if I remember what you said. Now you sent me this next file and said that once you had moved the text frames to move off the page. So I'm a little confused by that, or did you mean the actual like picture frames? Which is fine because you're moving that because of the bleed, which totally makes sense. But I'm not seeing your page 2 header go off the page. So this is the file you sent me. I opened it. Let me just go into, I'm on your B master here, although this looks like it's part of your A master. So let me just look at this here. But everything looks okay to me on this file. So again, unless I'm misunderstanding your email, let me just go back to this quick. After I updated a few of the text frames on the master page to go off the page, the top frame on page 2 isn't showing up. So top frame on page 2, oh wait, page 2, okay, let me look at page 2, isn't showing up. So maybe if you could be a little bit more specific if I'm not understanding, but everything looks to be showing up here that I'm seeing on my screen. So let me know if you have more questions on that, or questions in general. You know, if you continue to have trouble, unfortunately I'm not on campus today, but I can always meet with you. You know, we can look at it in class tomorrow if you're having trouble, and I would accept the assignment late if needed. But I think if you keep playing with it, I think you'll be okay. It's a little frustrating here in the beginning working with master pages and getting used to how things work. So keep plugging away at it and trying different things, and let me know if you have additional questions. Thanks.